Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor. Really excited today. I'm going to be showing you guys a new light that it's Halloween 2019, so depending on when you're watching this, it might not even be up on our website yet at lightingdoctor.ca, but I've been getting asked for quite a while now if we had any modern looking path lights. It's kind of the trend right now where people are looking for that modern kind of square boxier look with some lights. So I'm excited to announce that we have one that we've tested, that we know works well. We've played with some other ones, but they were just very poorly made and very cheaply made and not something I wanted to pass on to you guys. Now we have one. It's from FX Luminaire, one of our favorite lighting companies. And I like this one for a couple reasons. One is price-wise, it is more than a typical path and area light, which you're typically going to use, you know, in a garden bed or by a walkway or sidewalk or something like that. I still like the traditional path lights because they do spread 360-degree pattern around that light, so they are still a good fit for some areas. But usually you're spacing those 8 to 10, maybe 12 feet apart in a dark area. With these new modern ones, they're a lot brighter and they spread the light a lot further, where you can space them at like 16 feet plus, which I'm really excited about. So don't get so stuck on the fixtures. These will probably end up selling for around 200 plus US, but you probably only need half as much because all of a sudden your spread just got twice as big and you're getting that new modern path look light. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. You can see it comes in some pretty intense packaging here, but the reason for that and the reason it's so long is because it also comes with the mounting option built right in. So pull this new light out, very cool, very modern, rectangular look, which looks really cool. And then it's got this PVC ground stake built right in for mounting, so it's easy to mount. You don't have to screw it in or anything. It's just super easy to install. And what I love about it is that because there's some modern path lights that we looked at that were like a 90 degree, but they just didn't spread that light very far. It really concentrated on one area. By having this little 45 or 22 degree angle, we can throw that light a lot further. So this is a light I've been looking for a long time for around driveways and stuff. People always want to light their driveways. The problem is that a lot of the path lights had a very skinny, weak stem, so it was only a matter of time before they got, you know, ran over with a car. Or if you live in an area where you get lots of snow, I almost guarantee that you were going to catch those with a shovel, and we've replaced literally hundreds of those that get tackled by a snowblower, a shovel, anything like that. Whereas these, as you can see, this is crazy thick, crazy durable, so this guy is going to last. And not only that, but before with the other ones, you're only spreading that light about, you know, 8 feet across that driveway. Now you're looking at like 16 feet across. So really cool light. And I'll even light this guy up for you using my my Instalight that we find in all our kits. I love, we throw it in, it's free of charge. We don't charge for that, but I like sending it in there because then you can actually go see how bright this light's going to be. And I can tell already just in my lit shop here how bright this light actually is and how much extra light it's going to cast on your pathways and your garden areas and stuff. So when you see this, you will notice it is more than a standard path and area light, but keep that in mind. You can probably get away with half as many of these, if not a third. So if you were going to put in 3 standard path and area lights, you probably only need one of these for every 3 of those, or one for every 2 would be a good way to go about it. So hopefully I'm not shining right in the camera. You guys can still see me there. But really excited about this from FX Luminaire. The MPJ Modern Path Light will be on our website here pretty quick, and excited to start carrying these. So if you have those areas that need to light with a little bit more of a modern feel, this is going to be your new go-to. Hey guys, it's Cal with The Lighting Doctor. I hope you guys enjoyed all our do-it-yourself landscape lighting videos on YouTube and have taken advantage of our Try It Before You Buy It kit. Another thing that we offer to help make your landscape lighting project as easy and straightforward as possible is our free landscape lighting consultations, where you can actually send me directly pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca, and I'm going to review those and give you a video presentation of the best kind of lights to use, the best positioning, and the best way to go about your project to make it as easy and simple as possible for you. So to get your free consultation video, just email me at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and I'll get back to you with your own video presentation. In the meantime, go and check out a bunch more of our videos on YouTube and our resource page at lightingdoctor.ca, and I look forward to all your guys' comments and questions. Thanks for watching.